Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we will make a test of this product, this battery tester. It is for car, truck and motorcycles. The model is KW341. It's for 6, 12 and 24 volts. It's a very simple test. Let's see the specifications. As I told you, for 6, 12 and 24 volts for car trucks and motorcycles. Today we will test this on my motorbike. It has a color LCD screen, the temperature, the voltages, very simple, nothing special. Let's make the unboxing. USB with type C, and here is the tool. Okay, now you cannot turn on anything. You have to connect it to the motorbike. This is how it is. It's very slim. And we have to test now the battery. We will test the voltage. We will test the crank power, and we will test also the charging of the battery. And I forgot to take out from the box the instructions and the manual that are included inside here. Ta-da! So here is the battery of the bike. We connect the negative and the positive here. Okay. And now here is the tester. It turned on, and we say that it is a motorcycle, and we press OK. And you have to insert the battery type of your motorbike. Our battery type is here, YT12B BS. YT12B BS. YT12B BS. So you press OK. It says it's a good battery. Okay. You can scan this. Let me scan this to see what is going on with this. So this is a printable report about the battery status. It's very nice to have this. So now let's see the cracking test. You press here, start the engine. Okay. Turn the ignition on. So this is the battery tester. The battery seems to be very nice. You can also print the results if you connect the USB cable that I showed you before. And so you can have a history of your battery health. So this is a very nice tool for difficult motorbikes, like all the modern motorbikes that needs more and more current for all these electronics. So it's a very nice tool to have it for long trips. If you store your bike for a long period, for the winter or before a trip, you can check your battery so you will not destroy your trip for a faulty battery. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and safe rides!